Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with a special screencast video. So I imagine everybody's heard that tomorrow school has been canceled due to the pending snowstorm. So I thought I'd produce a short screencast video to discuss the discussion board that'll be due, or that is due on Sunday end of day, which is exercise 1.4 from your textbook, the research proposal. So since I'm in the announcements page right now, I'm going to move over to the discussion board. And as you will see, here is discussion board number 2, which is the research question and proposal. So go through pages 41 to 48 in your book. For your initial post in this week's forum, please compose a research proposal based on exercise 1.4 on page 45. So begin the first paragraph of your research proposal with your inquiry question or questions. Please try to limit them to about 3 questions. Then write a few sentences for each of the two purposes. Now, I know we've talked in class about exploring and arguing two different organizational patterns for the research essay. So, you want to talk about your particular topic. What is it you want to explore? And if there is an argument, what you would argue about your particular topic. And then I want you to add another paragraph describing your prior beliefs, assumptions, personal experiences, etc. Something to help provide some context as to why you might be picking this particular topic for the research project. So, once again, the research proposal is due Sunday, end of day. After your initial post, return to the discussion board and respond to two of your classmates' posts, their proposals above or after your post chronologically. And in writing two thoughtful reply posts, please keep in mind that the student will soon be looking for interesting sources for answering the research question. So if you have some sources or resources, you have some experience with that particular topic that your classmates are writing about, please offer some suggestions. Okay? Can you think of someone the student could interview? Have you read a book that's related to the research question? Do you have experience yourself that might help? And do you know a particular database or even keywords that might help your fellow students search more effectively? All right. So, once again, your research proposal is due Sunday, end of day. The proposal and two responses are worth up to 25 points. If you have any questions, you can reach me via email. I will be around on the computer in between shoveling snow and cleaning my car off and all that good stuff this weekend. So please send me an email if you have any questions. Good luck on your research proposal.